Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to learn how to make 4 cups of a caramel frappe. If you have a bunch of friends coming over or you're entertaining and you want to make more than one caramel frappe, you can follow this simple recipe to make 4 cups of caramel frappe and serve it to all of your friends. Let's get started. We're going to need some milk, we're going to need some maple syrup, some ice, and those are the basics of getting started with your Frappuccino. So what we're going to do first is we're going to measure out 1 cup of milk, and you can use whatever milk of your choice you desire. You could use whole milk, non-fat milk, soy milk. So 1 cup of that goes in the blender. After we have that in there, we're going to then we're going to add a half a cup of maple syrup. Now, the reason for the maple syrup is this helps to sweeten the beverage as well as so that it's very smooth and consistent. So once you have that half a cup of maple syrup in there, we're then going to measure out 16 ounces of ice. And what we're going to do is we're simply just going to add the ice to our 16-ounce glass. And that'll give us a rough estimate of 16 ounces of ice. Once you have that, you can just leave that off to the side until we add the rest of our ingredients. After we have those basic ingredients in the blender, you're then going to take a half a cup of caramel syrup, and you can find these down the coffee aisle of your local grocery store next to the coffee. And we're going to measure out a half a cup of this caramel syrup. We're then going to add this to our blender as well, and we're going to save our caramel sauce to be used on top of our final product. So after that, then what we're going to do is we're going to add our instant coffee and our ice and blend it up. So now that we have all those ingredients in there, what we're going to do lastly is we're going to take 2 packets of instant coffee. Now, if you don't have packets of instant coffee, you could go ahead and just use 2 tablespoons of instant coffee out of a jar. But we're going to take these and add them to our beverage. After you got all of that in there, you're then going to take your 16-ounce cup of ice that we've already pre-measured. You're going to add that to your blender. Once you've gotten all those ingredients in there, we're then going to turn our blender on high. You're going to let your beverage blend for about 2 to 3 minutes, or if you have a smoothie setting, you're going to go ahead and just put it on the smoothie setting. But after it comes to a stop, you're then going to want to take the top off, and you're going to want to check the consistency of your beverage to see if it's the type of consistency that you're looking for. Once you get the beverage to the consistency that you're looking for, you can then go ahead and pour it into your 4 serving cups, and you can top it off with some whipped cream and serve it up. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make 4 cups of a caramel frappe.